Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. Thought I would do something a little different today. I'm going to start a different project since all my model cars are pretty much still kind of packed away and I'm just dealing with what I can deal with right now. I decided I'm in the house, got the house to myself today. Most of this week. Everybody's at work. Figure I would start working on something I was going to add to my layout. This is an American Model Builders laser cut kit. I've had this thing for a good probably 20 years or so. They don't make this kit anymore. It's a wood kit in N scale, which is 1/160th. I have a fascination with Canadian grain elevators. For those of you who've ever been to Canada, they've got those great big, really awesome kind of red, brownish red grain elevators all over the prairie. I went on a trip when I was younger, and I saw a bunch of them. We don't have these in California, but I'm going to use modeler's license when I add this to my layout, which is going to be based in the San Joaquin Valley. I'm going to have one of these on my layout because I love them so much. I don't even know if there's a year on this kit. Well, this says 89, but that's a year of something else. But this is a wooden kit, the laser cut kit. I've built one laser cut kit before. Everything is cut out of real wood, all these pieces, and eventually you end up with something very cool. Then I will put all these, get all the walls cleaned up, get them sanded a little bit. I'm going to take them and I'm going to use a can of primer on them. I have a can of some Mr. Hobby Surfacer gray primer. I'm going to spray it to keep it from warping, because these are really known. I'm surprised this one hasn't warped because it's been in the box for in and out of garages for like I said, 20 years or so. So it's going to be really cool when I get it done, and we'll probably have an update. This is going to be part one, I guess, because this is not something I'm going to have to paint it and let it dry, and get to it over the next couple of days, and hopefully we'll see what happens. I really like these. I have to figure out exactly how I'm going to do it, but we'll take it from there. Bye bye. Well, unfortunately, I don't know what happened, but I am missing parts. I was going through checking off all the pieces. I am missing this little wood piece. Like it should be like this. I have that. That's this one here. This one here is this one, or pardon me, this one. And these are this here. I am missing the bit of strip wood that has the doors, the door frames, and the door bracing on it. And I don't know where this poor kit has been moved so many times. I have no clue where it is. I put aside the small stuff, the windows and the bracing for the loading spout, and the piece that they give you for the loading spout. For the life of me, I don't know what happened to them. I mean, I could, I guess, build it with the doors open, but that's really disappointing. As long as I've had this kit and I've been looking forward to putting it together, because so I guess I'm going to have to try and find out, because they don't make this kit anymore, so there's no chance I can get parts for it. So what I'm guessing I'm going to end up doing is finding a similar replacement for it, which would probably be Walthers makes an N-scale grain elevator, and I have the co-op shed for that. So those would go together. I bought that separate because you can buy it as a separate kit. It is really disappointing. I should have probably gone through this kit, you know, all the other times I've moved it. I mean, I guess last ditch effort, or I could, because these pieces come from here, but I still have to come up with the bracing for it, and that is some like really tiny, as you can tell. That's some really tiny stuff. So, oh well. So much for that. I'll put it aside, and maybe someday, you know, I'll decide to build it the way it is. Because, I don't know, it should have. Because it's got, should have tracks for the doors. Because a lot of them, oh, this one doesn't even have. Maybe it's because it's got. A lot of these, can't see it because this is a photocopy, have tracks that run along the walls that for the doors to slide open and close. So, well, I made a good effort. I was going to try and build something out here, but I guess it's not to be. And I said, well, maybe sometime in the future, I'll have to see if I can't get my hands on something similar. But as you can see, this is not that tall. That's about what the height of it would be. You know, this is N scale, it's 1/160th, so it's not going to be that big. So, but, well, it is what it is. This is what happens when you move 30 frickin' times in your life. Trying to, and I just broke that, so whatever. You know, it's just how it goes. So back in the box it goes, and you know, disappointing, but that's the way life goes. So anyway, I will talk to you later, and I hope everybody has a great upcoming weekend. I was supposed to go to the show in Fresno, the IPMS show in Fresno, but I don't think that's going to happen because I still don't have a job. I've sent out a bunch of apps online, and I've got 2 replies, and both of them were no's. And I don't know if it's because I'm an old fart or what the deal is, but I'm still looking, still searching. And, well, just keep my fingers crossed. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.